So the West Indies, as expected, bowed to defeat in the first test match against Sri Lanka. So we guess the glimmer of hope we've seen in test cricket over the last couple of years is now disappearing as we head back to reality. But typically, as worthless, gutless, and embarrassing as the Windies' performance was in this test match, there is some perspective here. Now, can you believe that the West Indies, with all our storied history and tradition, the West Indies have never won a single test match in Sri Lanka? That must be the only test playing territory in which the West Indies have failed to win a single test match. Now, understandably though, because when the Windies were kings of cricket between the late 70s and mid-90s, Sri Lanka then was an emerging nation just coming into international cricket. So West Indies, as top dogs back then, never used to pay Sri Lanka no mind, much less to go there and tour. Anyway, for the current team, we're no good already. That piece of history must have been weighing heavily on their confidence as they succumbed in that first test match. So what do you say? Give them a pass. Give them a pass for that one because of the history. Give them a pass. The second test for the second.